All right. Well, hello everyone. I'm excited to be able to bring this new preview of upcoming support for custom commands implemented via script for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So let's go dive in and get started. The first thing I'm going to show you here is this project, which is a custom command project. It's just a general script project that you can save off of mctools.dev. I saved this to my local hard drive, and just to get us started, the first thing you need to know is that this is going to be a 2.0.0-beta scripting project. So you're going to want to update your manifest dependencies to 2.0.0-beta just to make sure that you're running in that enhanced scripting environment. The other thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you've got the latest npm dependencies. So to do that, you're going to say at Minecraft/server at beta, and this will go ahead and download a number of different and new and updated dependencies specific to the Minecraft server beta. And then the final thing that we're going to do is in your .env file, you're going to want to change this to preview UWP so that your project is deploying over into Minecraft. So let's just go ahead and get our starter project rolling. This has just got a very simple tick function to get us started. But what you're going to see here is that it's going to be super easy for us to add new commands into Minecraft directly. But let's just go ahead and get started with our shell project like this. I'm going to run local deploy. And what I've done here is I have created a world inside of Minecraft. This is just a standard survival experimental world. In fact, I should just go ahead and let's make this creative. I've added our behavior packs custom commands that you can see over here. And you are going to want to enable the beta APIs experiment so that everything works as expected. So now that once we're over inside of this world, it's loading, what you'll see is just our very simple starter project that we can go ahead and get started with. All right, and you can see hello custom commands tick, etc. Okay, so now we're off to the races. We've got our project all set up. We're ready to start adding custom commands. So let's go come back into our code over here. And what you'll see is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take advantage of some new APIs to register a scripting command. So to do that, I'm just going to paste in some code like this. And let me just close this off like so. And you can see that there is a new data structure for describing a command. This is called the custom command object. Let me just go through and resolve all my dependencies real quick, like so, just to make sure all our includes are including. And what you can see here is that I describe the name of this command, which is hello custom command. And you will have to give it a namespace. So in this case, I have just creator : as my namespace. I have a description of this, which is celebration. Let's change this to celebration super party hello, like this. And you can then go ahead and specify some optional parameters, or if you wanted to do some mandatory parameters, there's a different collection of different registrations for that. But what you can see here is that, okay, what I have is one optional parameter, which is an integer, which is celebration size. And let's go paste in our function like this. This is just our hello custom command function. And the beauty of this is you can see that I just have a simple functional argument here called celebration size. It is optional because the parameter is optional. So you see that little question mark there. That means sometimes it might get passed in with undefined if the player didn't actually specify the command inside of it. And let's just make sure that we do all these includes. You can see that it's just a very simple function over here. And if a player does select a celebration size, we're just going to go ahead and do an explosion. So that's all there is to it. Just a very simple command, some registration, and then you just write a JavaScript function pretty much the same way you'd write any other JavaScript function. So let's go take a look at what this looks like. I am going to come back over into my command prompt and say np run local deploy. And let's just put this into watch mode like so that it's just always auto deploying things. Cool. Now let's come back into Minecraft and reload it. Let me go turn on cheats. All right, let me go back out and turn on cheats in my world. Like so. Cheats. Yeah. Play. Okay, now we're ready to go. Let's see. All right, so now what you can see is if I just simply say creator, you can see here's our new command. We have the description that you see in the autocomplete celebration super party hello. I can say hello custom command like this, hit tab to complete it, and you can see it says hello custom command. But if I want to, I can also specify a custom celebration size. Let's just do a celebration size of 1. And you can see that, yeah, it goes ahead and does a little explosion to kick things off for custom commands. So that's really all there is to it. Let's just do a different party over here. Let's do a celebration size of 10. Yeah, there we go. Very nice. Yeah, so that's very cool. This is just a basic implementation of a command, but we can do a little bit more fancier as well if you so choose. So let's just come back over into our code. For this command, we're going to do something a little bit more exotic. So let's go paste in the registration function like this. This is the creator party command like so. And let's go do this. Let's see. We are going to register a new custom function. Let me go put this, go put this into our subscribe event like this. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Okay. So you can see this is a party command, and it looks a lot like the basic command that we registered up above. You can see that I'm going to require a different permission here. So I'm going to require game directors. This requires essentially like an operator level type of person to be able to run this command, and not every visitor who comes into your Minecraft world can run this. And the other cool thing is that we're going to have a command of type, or a parameter of type entity selector. So we'll be able to actually have an entity selector. Let me go add in my function like this. And you can see that the argument here, it's not optional, and it takes a list of entities who are then going to go have a party. Let's see. So yeah, this is probably something super interesting like this. And yeah, that's just a very simple function. Okay, we're going to come back into Minecraft. It should be auto deploying. But first, let's go summon some cows. Let's see. Okay, so we summoned some cows. Let's go summon some pigs. Okay, and then let's go reload. And so now we have reloaded our scripts. Let's see, reload. Did I actually reload it? Okay. Creator. Let's see. Hold on just a second. Let's just try reloading this. There you go. Well, here's our creator command that we can go party with. Okay, so now we've got our command. I guess I had to reload it more dramatically just to get it to all register. But the good news about this is now I can say, okay, @e type equals cow like this. And what that should do is just make the cows jump. So you can see that the pigs in that case didn't jump, and it should have spawned some particles. I don't think that was a very visible particle, but you get the idea. I can use entity selectors, and I can say, okay, let's go make all the pigs jump now. And you can see that the pigs are now jumping for the party that we now have. So this really puts a lot of power in the hands of potential creators. Let's see. The next thing you can do is you can also, of course, use this inside of command blocks. So let's just give ourselves a command block, and let's give us, let's see, lever, and let's give us some redstone like so. All right, so let's go put this here and put some redstone here and a lever like this. And let's just say creator party @e type equals cow like this. So I can use this shiny new command inside of our command block like this. So let's see if we do this right. There we go. See, now we have custom script powered parties on demand. What could be cooler than that? Very nice. Okay, so you can use these custom commands in a number of different contexts like so. I guess the final command we'll show, let's just come back over into our code over here. So in this case, we're going to add another type of command. We're going to call this dirtster. And this one is actually going to take a position, a location essentially that you can then use inside of your function. And so let's go add the function for this one like this. And you can see that this takes, basically converts the location that's passed in, that's suggested by a player. And then we'll go convert that into, well, basically place a bunch of dirt blocks like so. So let's go save this, and let's go save and quit out and then reload it so that our command gets registered. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, so now we should have the dirtster command. So creator colon dirt stir, and now I can say I can use relative coordinates if I want. Let's go put this above our head like so. And what you should see is, there we go. This is our little dirt pyramid or up arrow. I don't know. But yeah, you can see that I can take advantage of all the relative location stuff. So let's see. So, I could put this in front of me, or I'm not quite sure where this is going to end up, but where did it go? Oh, it's to the left of me. It'd be cooler if I could do this in front of me. Let's see. I'll give it a relative location of 10. There we go. Beautiful. All right. So now you can implement your own custom commands that do a whole bunch of powerful things using scripting. So that's about it. It's really simple to get started with some custom commands. You just need to use 2.0.0-beta for now. Well, and it's currently in preview, and everything you work with, it'll be targeting 2.0.0 runtime environment, so you'll have to wait for that to come out into stable as well. Just one small limitation, you'll notice that we don't actually pass in the context of, let's say, the player who actually initiated the command, or, for example, in the case of NPCs, the NPC that was the initiator of the dialogue. So that's, or the person who initiated an NPC dialogue, yeah. We're looking to see how we can bring that into these particular functions. As with all beta features, it could change over time. Some of the values of these enums and some of the permission levels and all that kind of fun stuff based on your feedback could evolve, but we hope you take the chance to get started with custom commands from Minecraft. So that was just a very quick overview of everything to do with custom commands. We hope you're inspired to get started and look forward to what you're going to go build with custom commands. Thanks for watching.